To install Enscape, first make sure you have the installer available. This can be done by either applying for a trial on our website or by purchasing a license key. You'll receive a download link in both cases. Which version you are installing is irrelevant. The student version, the trial version and the paid version all use the same installer. The only thing left is to make sure none of the supported CAD softwares are running while you complete the installation. Just close all programs beforehand, double-click the installer and follow the instructions and you'll be fine. After the installation process is finished, you should see an Enscape toolbar in your ArchiCAD interface. If not, just click Window, Palettes and enable Enscape. The last thing we need to make sure before launching Enscape is that there is a 3D view in your scene. Now we can start Enscape by clicking the Start button at the top. See you in the next lesson.